Bye hair.
Welcome to Jonachillchannel. Today we'll do an unboxing and testing of a hair clipper that we bought in Lazada 2 weeks ago. This is the Boxin BX8808 hair clipper. We bought it for only 405 pesos plus shipping fee from Elena Accessories. Check out the description box for the link. Smooth, ceramic knife blade, high capacity, rechargeable batteries last long. Streamline shape. Streamline. Best ergonomic design from 0.8mm to 0.2mm. Powerful motor. Unboxing the boxing. Okay. Bubbles. Professional. BX8088 professional hair clipper. Wow! Double hair. Okay. Let's open this baby. That's so easy to open. Wow! Operation manual. In fairness, it's English. Yan, meron namang instructions pala here. So this is the main clipper itself. It feels quite heavy and sturdy. It's heavy. So it comes with attachments that's interchangeable depending on the length of hair that you want to achieve. So this is 12mm, which is the thickest option. And then this is the thinnest or the shortest, which is 3mm. And then 6mm. And 9mm. So next we have the battery. So this is the extra battery. What's good with this hair clipper is you can use it wireless, so you can move more freely. And then next we have the power cord for charging the batteries. It also comes with a tiny brush, so you can clean the hair clipper and the attachments after using them. And lastly, included in the set is a bottle of oil, so you can use this to prevent the formation of rust in your hair clipper. So this is how you remove the blade. Make sure you catch it with the other hand. So this time I called in my husband to show you how to put it back, because I can't put it back. And then this is how you remove the battery. Did you see that? Again. So you just need to press the arrow and slide. There. You need to charge the batteries for 6 hours. And it says in the manual that you need to avoid charging the batteries for more than 8 hours to prolong battery life. Okay, so my husband is not a barber or a hair cutter, so let's see how this goes. We didn't want to send the boys to a barber for a haircut, so we decided to buy a hair clipper instead.
Bye hair.
Now my youngest son has grown his hair long and he wants an undercut. That's a lot of hair. And now guess who this is?
Yeah, this is my new hair. Wow! Sino nagupit niyan? Siya!
Erwin.
Madam Erwin. Erwin. And then, tada! Hello, white hairs! So, we're going to Santa Rosa. It's our anniversary today.
So that's it for the unboxing and testing of the Boxin BX808 hair clipper. It's easy to use and we have achieved great results. I think I can say that it's a good deal so far. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Stay positive with your thoughts. God loves you. Bye for now.